I have a weird way of eating my ice cream, and that's I'm going to show you. Hi guys, I'm back here, Anglopino. Today I'm going to share with you something I used to do when I was elementary, and then my husband find it weird. So it's the weirdest thing I've done, he said. Actually, I'm just going to share with you how I'm going to eat my ice cream. Weird way of eating my ice cream, and that's I'm going to show you. When I was in my elementary years, when I was about grade 6, so I used to run to a bakery which is just across our school. I'm going there to buy a burger bun, and then it's very popular in the Philippines, the ice cream vendor in the street, they actually call it dirty ice cream, but it's not really dirty. But we just call it dirty ice cream because it has been sold in the street. So today I'm going to show you my weirdest way of doing it. So come join me. Ice cream, buddy. So here's my ice cream, and I don't have what you call this?
Bread?
I don't have burger bun, but I have crossbread. So here my son is going to eat the ice cream, and I'm going to teach him how his mother eats the ice cream. So Mama is going to eat ice cream differently. It's a weird. Papa said I'm the weirdest person eating my ice cream with the cross bun.
Or burger bun?
Or burger bun. So have you tried it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
So this is my weird way of eating my ice cream. So this is how weird I am in eating my ice cream. So I'm making a burger ice cream. Who have tried that? If you tried it, thumbs up. If you haven't tried it, thumbs down. If you want to try, comment. Okay, so this is how this is how weird I am with my ice cream burger. Ice cream burger. Yeah. Come on, let's eat.
No, thank you.
No thanks.
Lovely. Huh?
I like it with the biscuit.
You wanna try? You sure? It's yummy. And this is how weird I am. I'm also dipping it sometimes. Who wants to try?
Yeah. Tell them how you dip bread in coffee.
Hmm?
Tell them how you dip bread in coffee.
Yeah. So sometimes also in the morning, actually it's a Filipino traditions that we're dipping our bread in our coffee or in our hot chocolate.
I'll stuff
So
like that.
we're dipping it to soften the bread, especially in the morning if we have pandesal. We're dipping our bread in the
It's actually good.
coffee, and it's yummy. Come on.
I'm not eating it.
You sure? It's yummy.
I'm fine.
Fine. See? This is how weird I am. Now, actually, When I was in my elementary years, I used to run in a bakery to buy burger bun, and then there's ice cream vendor outside us, the bakery. They're usually, we call it what do you call it? We call it dirty ice cream. So we buy like we instead of putting it in a cone, we wanted to put it in a cup, and then or else we after we're buying the burger, we ask them to put directly in our burger, the ice cream burger bun, the ice cream. We want to put it in our bread directly. So that will be our break time snacks in the school when I was in elementary years. So I'm not sure if someone's still doing the same thing as I do, but when I was in my elementary years, we used to do that. Right, sister? Shout out Frankie Rose. Are you there? If you're listening, tell me if it's true or not. So,
Zoom in.
it's yummy. My ice cream is getting melted. I defrosted it because it's frozen, so much frozen. So, yeah. So, this is how weird I am. My husband said, the weirdest way of eating ice cream. So, as I said,
Agreed.
like, comment, and subscribe. If you have tried it, give me thumbs up. If you haven't tried it, give me thumbs down. And if you want to try, give me a comment. Is that fair?
And if you like to eat your ice cream with something else, like sprouts, comment that too.
Yeah. So, tell me what is your weirdest things you have done with your food, or anything you wanted to share with me, the weirdest thing you have done in your life. So, just as I say, comment down below. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you to my cameraman back there,
Steve.
7 foot das money. Thank you so much for holding the camera for me.